Like literally everything from eggs to even frozen items. Can be standing by learning more about the Lotus Trolley Bag or Trolley Bag.
I think people are going to really like this. Now, this is husband and wife, Jen and Farzan, and you guys came up with this idea, and I really think it's going to revolutionize how people grocery shop, because a lot of times you're kind of throwing stuff in the cart and you don't have to do that any longer. So what gave you guys the idea to make something like this?
I was frustrated not just with plastic bags, but the cheap reusable bags that just cluttered my closet and grew mold, and then I always forgot them at home.
Yeah.
So we needed a system that solved all of our problems
And
in one.
and this helps organize everything, right? Because you can kind of separate it, maybe where it goes in the house, or if it's going to be cold or hot, all that type of thing.
Yeah, so they spread right out in the cart. So you have two hands to pack and organize. This one is a deep cooler bag, keeps all your frozen things cold. This bag, my favorite, check this out. Egg holders here, never break your eggs. Sleeves for your wine, your mommy juice. And then when you get to your car, super easy, they just detach and they each have handles to put them right in your trunk.
And a lot of them in your trunk, it's a good length because they'll just lay in there as well, be able to sit up kind of in your trunk as well.
Yes, so it keeps your trunk organized, and then when you're home, all 4 bags, they just roll right up, so you have an easy, lightweight carrier to go to the grocery store with.
Yeah, and you're not going to forget these because they're so convenient that you'll be grocery shopping like, why don't I have them? Because with the other plastic, with the other bags that reusable bags, you just kind of throw them in your cart. They're just sitting there. Yeah, these are reusable, but you're going to be able to utilize them while you're shopping. Now, you guys also have these produce bags. What's the deal with these?
We came out with a matching set of reusable produce bags for all your fruits and vegetables, large, medium, and small. So you have a complete plastic-free grocery shopping experience.
And I really think that that's going to be the future too, because they keep saying, okay, you can't have the bags, or if you do, you're going to have to pay for them. But we do still have those plastic bags when it comes to our fruits and vegetables, and I have a feeling those are going to go away.
Yeah, it's super necessary too. Each one's got a closure bead, so you can cinch it up so nothing falls out. You can wash them hundreds of times, reuse them, 3 different sizes for all the different types of fruits and veggies. And they're just super convenient. You can go plastic free.
Now, where can people purchase these?
So these are, you can go on Amazon and just search Lotus Trolley Bag, or you can buy them locally at Safeway stores, carry them now, and we're also at Save Mart.
And then Nugget has these produce bags.
That's right, we got the produce bags.
And then you guys have your website that people can get them too, lotustrolleybag.com, right?
That's right, yeah.
Okay, get on out there and support them. I'm really obsessed with these. You know, the problem is I'm only buying like Frosted Flakes and milk. So it's really easy for me to bring that in and out of the house, but I'm saying for people who are actually doing legitimate grocery shopping, Ashley, I feel like you need this.
So the funny thing is, I'm not a great grocery shopper. I pick up like 4 things, maybe same thing.
Yeah.
But I think
this would help you.
Exactly. If I had it, I think I would do better with shopping.
Yeah.